ladies and gentlemen, if all you had was a multi-tool, what's going on? This is Reaper Militia Sidetracked. We got a Mossy oak multi-tool. It's the package that comes in. This was $8. Here's your sheath. It's pretty generous. Belt loop. It's pretty sturdy. All the tools are on the outside. Got yourself a pocket clip. There's your blade. There's your lock mechanism up here. Now when I bought this, there's definitely some blade play here. As you push that up, it's not the fastest one-hand opening. You got your file. Got both lock triggers on the side. You can, use both fingers if you wanted to. Got your serrated edge. Saw. Screwdriver or can opener. Another flat head. Everything locks. Oops. Got your Phillips head screwdriver on this side with a knife and the file. Spring loaded. Open presentation so you can see it all open there. Got your Mossy oak little emblem if you care. Laser edged in the clip. Let's test this thing out. What the hell I do with my stuff? Some pretty thick gauge stuff. Let's see if wire cutters will cut. I will say the metal looks kind of funny in these. Works. Feels comfortable in my hand. Pliers, holding on to the wire and bending it. You really wouldn't know how good these are, till the long run. They might come a little loose or something like that, because I already need to tighten these anyway, but that's not a big deal as long as you have torque screws. And this has the star. Pain in the butt stuff. It's get some wood, check out all the other cool stuff. And let's check out the serrated edge. See how sharp it is. Some 550 paracord. Oh wow. Did you guys see that? With the lock? The lock came open. Look at that. Wow. I don't know about that, guys. It won't even cut the paracord. Alright, well, after I, you know, did the slicing motion, it oh no, that's no good. I'm gonna say this is an automatic fail here, but I'm still gonna do the review. Okay, let's try the blade. Whoa, this thing is crap. So if you can do the slicing, ugh, yeah. Now remember, it's $8. Well, it seems to be cutting the wood okay. The blade's not coming back at me. I'm pushing in to see if the blade will, you know, come unlocked like that. That was just... So this one's not doing it on this side. Bunch of stuff jiggling around. Oh man, let me find the saw, see how that goes. Oh, that bit in pretty good. Saw work pretty nice, make notches. That might be the star of this multi-tool, is this saw. Yeah, I'm thinking so. This is gonna be the star. I'm gonna make a notch. Since this blade sucks, try to pop your notch out. So you get yourself a little notch to do whatever you need to do for a notch. Oh guys, I don't really know. You know, if you're careful, I guess. Made myself some more little sawdust. See if we can get a little fire started with this I'm not so impressed multi-tool. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna use the serrated part again. So if you're careful with this multi-tool, by the way, like, cause as you can tell, that just jumped back off a track again. Hope you guys can see that. Like, look at that. That is so not good. Okay, so we're not going to use this blade. Just going to go back to this one. There's some paper thin curls. Try to get a good surface area for some sparks. Fire prep, guys, fire prep. Alright, got me some curls. My ferro rod. My ferro rod is not going to fit in the side of this case. There's no extra room. So if you do that type of thing, let's get our file. Let's hope that it doesn't jump off the track. Some pretty okay sparks going on. Now these fire steels aren't the best that I have, for sure, but they're cheap in China. Alright, we got fire. We had fire. So I'm gonna invest in some better fire steel, because these fire steels really aren't not the best. This aren't the sharpest spine though either, so maybe we won't get a fire going, guys. For real, 5 TV. There we go. Some flamage. Plus it's kind of wet, but not too wet. There we go, guys. All you have is a multi-tool. Thanks for checking me out. Reaper Militia Sidetrack. Appreciate your views. It's awesome. This is an $8 multi-tool. It's really, you know, if you have to have it, and you know, the Ozark Trail is a better option. I have a review on that one as well. I believe it's way better than the Mossy Oak. It's also a $10 multi-tool. I would go with that, to tell you the truth. This multi-tool is not going, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Well, there it is. Reaper Militia Sidetrack. Practice is progress. Knowledge is power. Much respect and much appreciation for all you guys. Take it easy.